اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ان ھذا لفی الصحف الاولی صحف ابراہیم و موسیٰ. Translation is, this indeed is what is taught in the former scriptures, the scriptures of Abraham and Moses.
People generally believe 4 heavenly books, and here Suhuf Ula is mentioned as Suhuf Ibrahim and Musa. So could you kindly comment on that?
Please, have you understood the question?
Can you repeat once more?
People generally believe 4 heavenly books, and here Suhuf Ula.
Yes. It is said in the Punjabi there are only 4 books which descended from heaven. And this is the question. Fi Suhuf al-Ula, Suhuf Ibrahim or Musa, only 2 are mentioned.
Yes.
But Suhuf is a plural which covers so many, even much more than 4. So it is wrong to limit the number of books from heavens. People are erroneously led to believe this. But according to the Holy Quran, it is false. According to the Holy Quran, there is no place in the world where divine revelation did not occur. All the places in the world have witnessed the advent of a messenger of Allah. And this happened even in the remote past. So how can it be possible that you determine that these are the 4 books and the rest of the world is left without light from Allah, while the Holy Quran is very clear and very specific about this? Everywhere in the world there have been prophets and there have been books. Right?
Yes, sir.
It's not a matter which lies within our jurisdiction. It's a matter which lies within the jurisdiction of the Sikhs themselves. They have classified themselves as a religion. We have the right to criticize their classification, but it is their will which will be followed, and as such all over the world among religions, because they insist. Although Hazrat Masih has a very different opinion from that, he has proved beyond a shadow of doubt that Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak was a Muslim, and as such he never left a Sharia behind him. See, this is very important. Sikhism did not begin with a founder who claimed that God has shown me, has revealed to me a new Sharia, a new law. The result was that the law developed with the passage of time, with many gurus, the holy people who were born one after the other, who acquired the leadership of Sikh people. Whatever they said, that went into their book. And because it was not a divine order, strange things went into their Sharia, and most important things were left out altogether. So that is how they played havoc with their own Sharia, or their own so-called religion. All religions begin with one founder, and they develop later on the same line as the founder had dictated. Some people, the atheists, believe they themselves are the founder of the legislation, but those who follow that religion, they believe it's Allah. And there are so many religions which are divinely revealed in this sense. But Sikhism is an exception in the sense that their own followers cannot attribute a single saying to Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak which says that God has revealed to me that this is your law. Exception. Moreover, I think time is running out, so you will have to translate it tomorrow. Moreover, it's very, very interesting that Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak never did anything by way of worship other than the practice of Islam. He is shown to have visited Sikh Hindu temples, but he never worshipped any deity there. But when he went to Khana Kaaba, he performed Hajj. He used to say prayers. His chola was the dress he wore for a very long time during his last years, and nothing but Surah Fatiha, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and Quran is written over there. No verse from Bible, no verse from Gita, no verse from Confucianism, etc., etc., is mentioned there except written in Arabic, the Quran, verses of the Quran, and mainly Surah Fatiha and La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So what right do they have after this to attribute to Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak any other religion than Islam? Hazrat Masih Maud laid the foundation for this research, which Ahmadis further carried out later on, but all the basics were provided by Hazrat Masih Maud, who proved that Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak was a Muslim saint. The Sikhs do not like this. They take strong exception to this. But they do not take strong exception to other Muslims who, according to their belief Sikhism to be a different so-called religion, and because Hazrat Sallallahu is Khatamun Nabiyyin, so this has to be a fake religion. So according to them, Hazrat Guru Baba Nanak was not even a saint. He himself concocted the religion in the name of Allah. The Sikhs like this position better than our position, because we know that he was a saint. We have at the same time claimed that he did not bring any new religion after Muhammad Rasulullah. Time is over.
Yes.
Thank you.
سأقدم لحضراتكم إن شاء الله ترجمة إجابة حاضر المؤمنين هذه في بداية حلقة الغد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.